Here we go. We got a fish, guys. What is that? It's a crappie. No way. Look at this, guys. That is a giant crappie. Holy. Alright, hold up here. Oh my goodness, guys. That thing is long. Look at that. Oh my. I did not expect that at all. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We just caught this crappie here. Just a little guy. But hit the popper. We're like, what's up with that? I never expected that. Just right beside that log, chilling. But he's feisty, ready to go. So, we'll put him back. I don't think we're going to be able to do an underwater release with this little guy. But, let's let him go. There he goes, guys. Oh, totally unexpected catch. But we got it. Alright, guys. Let's see if we can catch some more. Man, that is awesome. I never have caught a crappie on a popper in my life.